Pinaliwanag nga neto ni Lu Dort ang nangyari sa play kung saan nasahod niya itong si Ja Morant na nagresulta ng kanyang injury. Well, kung hindi niyo pa nakita ay ito ang si Ja Morant sa play na ito ay nasahod neto nga ni Lu Dort nung habang siya ay padang. At nagresulta nga yan ng scary fall para dito kay Morant at talaga nga namang balik siya sa locker room nang dahil nasaktan, injured itong si Ja. And actually, hindi pa agarang bumalik itong si Morant kung hindi tumira pa ng free throws at may kita nga natin dito sa kanyang pagbalik na itong si Lu Dort pati na rin si Jalen Williams ay para bang kinausap itong si Morant. Parang nagsorry nga sila matapos nga na nangyari sa kanya. At matapos nga ng laban ay ang okay si coach ay meron ngang sinabi patungkol dito sa play na ito. Pakinggan natin siya.
They reviewed it, so trusting their judgment on that, but obviously not. I never want to see anybody get hurt. I hope he's okay. But you want everybody to be at full strength. He's a great competitor. He was playing great. Obviously, that had something to do with the game as well. It would be, wrong of me not to acknowledge that. But I think it was a clean play. I think everybody was just playing hard. It was unfortunate.
Well, para nga sa head coach na itong OKC Thunder, sa tingin niya walang maruming ginawa itong si Lu Dort. Clean play ang tinawag niya dito. Talagang very unfortunate nga lang daw na itong si Lu Dort was at the wrong place at the wrong time. At ngayon ay pakinggan nga natin mismo na itong si Lu Dort at ang kanyang paliwanag patungkol nga sa nangyari sa play na ito. Pakinggan natin.
At the end of the half, what was your perspective of the way that unfolded?
Yeah, it's a tough one. Obviously, I hope he's okay. I was running back, making a hustle play for my team. I was running quick, stuck on the dime. I didn't know he was behind me, and I was slipping, so I still tried to make a play on the ball, but we just ran into each other and he fell down. But I hope he's okay. It was big that he still got up and shot the free throws. When he was at the line, I dapped him up and I apologized. Obviously, it's never good when a good play like that goes down. But people can say whatever they want.
Did he say when you kind of went over to him afterwards? Did he say anything back to him?
Well, ayon nga dito kay Lu Dort ay hopefully nga daw ay okay lang itong si Ja Morant patapos ng scary fall na kanyang natamo. And actually sabi nito ni Lu Dort ay he was just trying to make a play. Hindi niya nga daw alam na itong si Ja Morant ay nasa kanyang likuran tapos samahan pa daw na nadulas siya. And unfortunately nagkabanggaan nga daw sila. At itong si Ja Morant ay nakita naman natin nasa arena nung sila'y nagkabanggaan nagresulta ng kanyang nakakatakot na pagbagsak. Sinabi rin dito ni Lu Dort na humingi na nga daw siya ng pasensya dito kay Ja Morant nung tumira siya ng free throws dahil hindi naman daw kasi intentional yung kanyang ginawa. Pero anyways, kung kayo ang aking tatanungin, ano ba ang inyong judgment? Anong inyong opinion patungkol nga sa play na ito ni Lu Dort kay Ja Morant na nagresulta ng kanyang injury? Komento niyo lamang yan.